Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide tag photos on Instagram. So first step you need to do is to open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and here you can see tags and mentions. Click on that option and here you can see who can tag you. So I do not want to allow anyone, and then you need to click on manually approve your tags. Click on turn on and click on review tags. Click on tagged and here you can see all your tag posts, and if you want to delete you can delete those posts from here as well. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.